mother and your mother were washing some plates. My mother gave your mother a bar of soap. Which color?
Ekitongole ky'ebyokwegesa kikatandika ehururu y'okumanyisa abashomesa boona abataine empapura ezirikuhika idara lya degree kugezaho bakareba ngu bashoma ahabwokuba abo boona bataine bitabo tebarikuza kwikirizibwa omu mwaka ogw'2029. Dr. Conrad Mike orukuru okutendeka abashomesa aha kwongeraho aha bitabo byabo yayerekwa ko bwahati ihanga riri mu kyasha kya 2021 ngu kandi abashomesa bashemereire kushomesebwa kureba ngu bagonjura ry'abaana b'ihanga.
Okuza kushanga ndabakibora mu kitwa kwese pedagogy ni nka art of delivering. Hatu ya in 21st century. In 21st century harimo integration of ICT, harimo customer care, harimo innovation and creativity. So ntubane twenda umushomesa ogu abari all round icyo kwese holistic kugira ngo at the end of the day abana bitu bafitting in the 21st century.
Ogu yayongera yagira ngo ababona bine kutandika kubika kasente kureba ngo bashoma degree no birabe bitorobi
abo kubato okushoma kwebirebi no wasa kushashura mpora hatu wana urundana kasente kawe ko mushara okanona mpora katisho nakabasa omyeze eshatu yo kubo orukora no wasa kusetuition.
Professor Katsime Misach or director w'ishomero lya Rebita Preparatory School yagira ngo amashomero mengi obwire gatwire ngakora okushoma kandi gewa kureba ngo gakuza netaranta z'abana.
Hata amashomero mengi ni gabesinga ha performance bakweta academic performance generally. Konka performance is wholesome. The academic zone. Now that's developing omwana, developing a talent zone. So that's why ituto tunekarche kugira ngo buri mwaka tukakora ngo ateka sports day. So this is the sports edition 2024 ya Rebita. And twahirwa kugira ngo twafuna abatayibiti from different institutions.
Ogu yagira ngo byemuzano nibyongera ehantase y'ihanga kandi hine n'abana bari kubasa kuba batarukora byo mu klasi nkonka bine ntaranta.
Waza kureba abantu aba sente nyingi abakora sente nyingi n'abantu aba sports super footballers like Messi, like Ronaldo and many others are earning quite a lot of money. So umwana nawasa kuba takoraje academically konka ine talents ni zo kutera kapira zo kwiruka, you never know.
Professor Katsime yayongera yagira ngo ministry eshemerere kureba ngo yahindura ombyo wegese ngo hinduira mu siniya kandi yahiga n'abazire kufaya abana babo.
Abazira bingi bakine we need to sensitize them. Abazire bomba menda kureba umwana yakorata max and probably ministry sheme kuchenginga system ya examination oriented system in primary schools na secondary schools ukashanga baza habintu ebindi and kandi ndekatangwa ryo mbejya kuchikora kuba nko koreba nka O level na A level, especially O level they have started from primary tukirya examination oriented system mwana yakora zinga atakumanya other competencies.
Sarumbo mugwayo nakubunje imico y'abana abazire n'abashomesa kurabira mu kwegesa kwitu nengere cyo kubura cyo kugenderwa cyo kwindura imico y'abana kandi tenda kusima abashomesa kuri umuranga gwitu atemice n'egera n'hinduko mu mashomero na munongago agakugezaho kurikize nyegesa yekanisa.
Ibi byabaye ishomero lya Rebita Preparatory School erukushanga muri Ngoma Kagango Shema kandi gwabaguriye mukoro gwo kukuza intaranta z'abana no kuhabura okubakobasa kwega kwetebekansiza nyenca kare nungi. Agagasha kwa Job Kato aha wa Sky TV ya Genshonga.